Hey, today I'm going to show you how to change a key shell for Honda remote head key in case your key is broken. Fortunately, I don't have any broken key, so I'll show you on regular key. So first thing, we're going to open the key from here. Now we're going to take the remote out. After you take the remote, as you see here on the side, we have a chip. So we have to take the chip out. So you just lift it up. Then we're going to take the new shell. We're going to stick the chip inside. We're going to put the remote back. Make sure you don't lose this chip, because if you lost it, it will not let you start the car. Then we're going to take the cover. And in case you need to cut the key, so you can take it to a local locksmith store and they can copy the key from the old one to the new one. That's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.